Hey friends, welcome back to the Quizzer Cat. Get ready to test your observation skills with our new 50 epic puzzles. Today is Ultimate Nature Challenge with fruits, animals, and much more. Subscribe to the channel, and let's get started with some easy levels. Can you spot the odd strawberry emoji? Look closely. Aha! Among the strawberries, there's a sneaky apple hiding. Next challenge. Can you find the odd apple emoji in this group? Ha! That's a tomato pretending to be an apple. Great start. Here's a beautiful photo hiding a fruit. Squint your eyes to solve this optical illusion. It's a pineapple, the tropical fruit with a spiky crown. Your next task is to find the pineapple hidden among a bunch of fruits. Yay! It's hiding in the top left corner. Guess the fruit from these 3 emojis. What could it be? It's a coconut, a tropical classic with sweet water inside. Now, can you find the odd emoji in this set? Look closely. Wow, it's a cheeky monkey, a true banana lover. Look carefully. There's an odd fruit emoji here. Can you find it? Yay! Among the bananas, there's a mango hiding. What about this one? Can you find the odd mango emoji? It's a peach, a juicy, sweet fruit that everyone loves. Can you spot the animal hiding among these fruits? It's the monkey again, always up to some mischief. What animal do you see in this optical illusion? Squint your eyes to figure it out. Exactly. It's a panda, the bamboo-loving bear we all adore. Your next challenge. Find the odd panda emoji in this group. Which one is different? Ooh, that's a polar bear, a fluffy giant from the Arctic. Let's step it up. Find the emoji that doesn't have a pair. Look closely. It's the banana without a match. Can you guess the flower from these 2 emojis? It's an easy one. Of course, it's tulips, beautiful flowers that brighten any garden. Now try finding the odd tulip emoji. One of them is different. Wow, that's a rose, another iconic flower. Hidden among the tulips is an animal. Squint your eyes to reveal it. It's a butterfly, delicate and stunning. Can you find the odd emoji here? Keep your eyes peeled. Haha, this butterfly looks more like a flower. Time to level up to medium difficulty. Look closely. Can you spot the butterfly hiding among these flowers? Yay, there it is, a true master of disguise. Photographic memory test. Memorize the positions of all the emojis. Ready? Now tell me, which emoji changed? That's right. The owl has been replaced by a monkey. Now let's find the odd owl emoji in this group. Which one is different? It's a brown bear, a honey-loving forest dweller. One of these bear emojis is hiding a different animal. Can you spot it? Aha! It's a beaver, an amazing builder of dams. Can you guess the bird from these three emojis? Of course, it's a pelican, a skilled fisherman with a big beak. Find the odd pelican emoji in this group. One of them looks different. Aha! That pelican stands out. It's a tricky one. Find the emoji that doesn't have a pair. Can you figure it out? Exactly. That fish doesn't have a match. Here's another optical illusion. Squint your eyes and guess the animal hidden in this picture. Wow, it's a dolphin, playful and full of energy. Which dolphin emoji is different? Look carefully and spot the odd one. Ooh, that's a shark sneaking into the group. It might be a little harder. Can you find the odd fish emoji in this group? Oops, that fish has turned into a skeleton. Spooky. Guess the sea creature from these emojis. Yes, it's an octopus, an intelligent and fascinating ocean dweller. Now find the odd octopus emoji. One of them doesn't belong. There's a jellyfish sneaking in among the octopuses. We're diving deeper into the ocean. Can you spot the squid in this set? There it is. Amazing camouflage. Guess the sea creature from these two emojis. It's trickier than it looks. Exactly. Love and star sounds like a lobster. Can you find the odd lobster emoji here? Keep your eyes sharp. Aha, that's a crab, a fellow marine creature. What about this one? Can you spot the odd emoji in this group? Yay, that shell has lost its pearl. Now let's find the crab hiding on this ocean floor among the treasures. Look closely. Our little crab friend is perfectly camouflaged. It's time for the toughest levels yet. Can you guess the animal hidden in this optical illusion? Ha! It's a crocodile, a powerful predator of the wild. Now find the odd crocodile emoji. Which one stands out? That's a dinosaur sneaking into the group. We're traveling back to the age of dinosaurs. Can you find the odd dinosaur emoji? Exactly. This dinosaur looks a little different from the others. This is an animal you definitely know. Can you guess it from these three emojis? It's an elephant, a majestic giant of the animal kingdom. Now spot the elephant hiding among the dinosaurs. Can you find it? There it is. But what's an elephant doing in the dinosaur era? One of these elephant emojis is different. Can you figure out which? Ooh, that's a rhinoceros, a strong and mighty herbivore. Let's make it even trickier. One of these emojis doesn't have a pair. Can you identify it? The jellyfish emoji stands alone. Now look at these turtles. Can you spot the odd emoji among them? Haha, that's a frog. Another photographic memory test. Carefully memorize the positions of all the emojis. Ready? Now tell me, which emoji changed? Exactly. The shark has been replaced by a fish. What object do you see in this optical illusion? Squint your eyes to reveal it. Aha! It's a rocket. Let's blast off into space. Can you find the odd emoji in this group? Look closely. Yay! It's the space shuttle emoji. What about UFOs? Can you find the odd one out here? Haha, that's actually a lamp pretending to be a UFO. Now try finding the UFO hiding among these spacecraft. Watch carefully. Yes, there it is. The alien spaceship. Let's guess the planet from these two emojis. Think quickly. Exactly. That's Saturn. You figured it out. Now find the odd planet emoji. Can you spot it? Wow, this Saturn has 2 rings. It's unique. This one's for the keenest eyes. Find the emoji that repeats twice in this set. Ha! It's the strawberries we saw at the beginning of the video. Final level. Can you guess the word from these 3 emojis? Here's a hint. It's space-related. If you guessed it, drop your answer in the comments. Let's see who got it right. Thanks for playing. Don't forget to subscribe for more emoji challenges and puzzles. Now pick your next quiz. See you in the next video.